Hello, distance learners. That was good timing. All right, so to get it uploaded, the first thing I need you to do is hop on the share board, and I will choose somebody's to do. I'm going to do Priestley's because he couldn't get his to go yesterday. He got caught right in the data overload. So you're going to hop on there. Number one, make sure it's shared to your Google Drive, which it should be. His is. I already talked about that. I'm just going to download his here and put it on my desktop so that I can grab it when I need to upload it into YouTube. I just need us all to do it the same way so it's got some uniformity to it. So just give me a second here. He had a pretty long one. I should have grabbed a shorter one, but that's okay. So you should have your sitting and waiting and ready to roll. God dang it. God dang it. God dang it. Where did I put it? I'm going to move it over and let's dump it on here. All right, then you're going to go to YouTube. Okay, and in the right hand corner, you are going to switch accounts. Okay, so I'm going to pick right in the right hand corner. Don't go to your channel. Don't go anywhere. You're going to go to switch account. I already have this one created, but you're going to do add account. And then you're going to raise your hand when you're ready for a username and password. So you're going to go add account. I'm going to just log into the one I'm going to have you add. All right, raise your hand when you're ready, singletons, for a username and password. You got this far? So it's still, okay. So I can remember how far each class got. So the next thing I need to have you do is you are going to go to, I don't know what it says on your Chromebooks. Mine says your videos or your studio or manage videos, but the place where you go where it's going to say in the top right hand corner, create a video. All right. So we're going to go hit on create a video. You're going to upload. You are going to select your file from where you uploaded it. I was doing Priestley's. So I'm just going to open that. I'm hoping they're going today. All right, because then we'll maybe try, while we're doing the movie, I'll send the doubles and then the triples and then my huge groups. I doubt you'll fit on today. You'll have to do it tomorrow for me, okay? So just watch. I am recording it though. All right, so I'm going to take this out because I need you to put the number and the topic. His was Riemann sums, so I have to go look at that. But put the number first and then the topic. So Riemann sums are chapter 6.2. If you don't know, you can go look up there, but most of you have it on that share board. So I'm going to put 6.2. Whoops. And don't work ahead because I'm going to have you put a specific thumbnail on it too. So don't next it yet. 6.2 Riemann sums and trap rule. All right. So the next thing up is we are going to go put a thumbnail on there. To get the thumbnail, what I want you to do is either go back to your video or back to your slideshow. So I'm going to go to his video. I want to have it with that title page that you were supposed to make. So I'm going to get a good thorough title page. All right, I'm going to grab this. Actually, does he launch right into, I don't think he has a general title page. He just launches right into left Riemann's. Oh, there we go. He has a good one. I was like, you're supposed to make a nice title page. So I'm just going to grab that. Just screenshot it. Am I going too fast, too slow? We're good. I'm going to grab that. I'm going to go back. I'm going to do upload thumbnail. I'm going to pick that screenshot that I just took. If I can find it in my messy desktop. All right. Then, under the playlist, his was in chapter 6, so I'm going to dump it into the 6 playlist. Okay, so make sure, most of you guys are chapters 4 through 8. All right, I don't know, I gave many of you 1, 2, 3. So go ahead and dump it in there. Hit done. Go ahead and hit next, and you can next it on out. Oops, yes, it's made for kids, sorry. And next it on out till you get to visibility, and you're going to make it public, and you're going to publish, and then we're going to see if everybody's went, and then I'll have the the pears try it. I have some pears. And then we'll try, we're probably going to be out of space, but we'll see. All right, did it go? What? All right, so this, did yours publish, you guys? There's enough space? Or is it still spinning? Nobody's talking to me.
Is there, I don't know if we have any singles we have. We only have a few.
Okay, doubles, go try it. And I'm going to start the movie. When doubles are done, let me know if it worked, and I'll send some triples.
Done. A question.
Yes.
When I go to the hey. Real quick.
Yes.
Ryan's work.
What'd you say?
Our title is way too long.
Yeah. Just put 6.4 the FTC, 8.3 accumulation.
Let's do a class picture.
Can I be in it?
No.
Wait, so it's the front, we can make them take it.
No.
Fifth hour.
Or another reason.
I'll go grab Mr. Money.
Hey, Amanda,
Get some more.
I think there's only two.
I want you to
What else?
I brought one to like, go look at the photos. I think it's so addicting.
Yeah, there were 27 on this.
Yeah.
She's taking the most random.
I found a random student in the hallway.
You look great, man.
Sure.
We're all going right now.
Send them back.
Cheese. Behind our masks. And your eyes are smiling.
Thank you.
Why are we using a disposable camera?
I don't know, we got one for the last day of school just for
Is
fun.
someone gonna like drop with their
Yeah,
phone?
it's okay. Oh, we're set. Then we get another one. We send out.
I should use this as the website for my YouTube channel.
Okay, ready?
Thank you, random child.
No.
All right, I'll start it. Let me know if they're uploading as you go. I know, it's not juice, it's strawberry milk, and I'm gonna hunt down the freshman who spilled it and make him feel bad. Yes, Oilers will be. It's one of the lone purple ones.
You guys want it to run your airdrop?
I want this one. What?
You were gone? I was in the lunchroom.
You gotta get that kid.
Who was gone?
Let's do
Oh.
it. Let's go.
Oh, that's
Guys, it's fine.
my son.
Guys, smile.
It's not his name. I'm sorry. He thinks he's funny. He's 25 though, so it's not like he's 6 calling himself Hugh Jack.
Yeah, why did the shorty decide to squat?
I think we saw that. Okay,
I'm not gonna lie, I love this.
it's so good. I watched it this morning, and I was trying to do work, and I kept watching it.
Stare at him.
Can somebody send me
Not to
that?
say something.
My email? I don't know how to hear that.
We belong.
Oh,
This
you said it's
Man.
very, yeah, people wanted to
is you. Why you need us?
This is my problem. I always see many my friends.
Callie and Lucy want us
Since
all
you
to
will
write
finish second.
We headed for home?
No, I am delayed.
Did the twos go? Yeah, go ahead, try
I
it.
hate it when I delay flights. What are you doing?
Try it if it kicks you out, just.
Oh, I go from one building to I have never.
What? Let's Photoshop her in. Alright, this is Seth. We'll find something.
Find another rainbow.
Nice names. I like that idea. I want everyone to write one nice name.
Everyone write your name. Write your name, they got it. Write your name, they got it.
Where's the pencils?
Hey, everybody write your name on the thing first.
Can I do a marker?
Yeah. Write your name big on the paper and sign it.
Oh, it's. Wait, what are we doing?
Write your name. My name is short.
What's it look like?
Just do it.
Oh, what are we doing? No, what?
I love my name.
This is an idea that I can.
Mine is dead center. Mine is really small. Mine's dead center. Let me just acknowledge. It's really
There we go. Let's go.
I found a random hall supervisor this year.
Alright, fiction time. I was here. Or like put on some
Okay.
I got a ticket.
I did it.
How many of you did I? Ticket.
You gave me a ticket.
Sorry about that, but congratulations, all of you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, just do whatever you want to do, and I'll keep catching. Okay? Everybody want to Congratulations.
Are you the crosswalk one?
Yeah, I am.
I was always the one that went on the crosswalk. You always look at me before I went.
So nice job. No one's gotten hit this year?
You know, somebody crossing the Main Street got hit.
But that's not your area. That's not
That
your
isn't my area.
All right.
Thank you so much.
I feel like it's sort
Okay, guys. Now leave your paper where it is, and you can walk around the class and write something nice about the person
I
in
like
the
this
paper.
idea. It's fun.
And try to get everyone, so everyone has comments. Yeah,
Here's a marker.
get everyone. Okay.
We'll wait till you're done to finish the movie. What's a
Can we
marker?
write our name after we write?
You can do it anonymously. I don't